Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. What I'm going to show you in this video is how to customise the big screen on the car. You can see what I've got on my big screen here. I've got 3 different readouts. I've got my navigation, I've got the trip computer, and I've got my audio all on the screen together. Normally you've only got your screen in one big display, like I've got nav on this at the moment, or if you've got your audio screen on, it's one big display. So I'm going to show you how to split the screen into multiple different screens so you get to this point. You need to press setup. Then you need to find the tab that says customise home screen, and this takes you to a screen that asks you what information do you want in these 2 little tabs. Now I might want the phone down there, so I just touch phone, put it where I want it, and now I've got my telephone here, my trip computer here, my nav here. Or you might want your audio down there. Which gives you a quick button to audio, so you can pick what you want to play.
Almost. Well, if you don't have a really good look.
We'll stop that before I get copyright. You might want the clock on that screen. So now you get the clock, the trip, and the nav. You can also do the same. I might want to put the phone up there. Them 2 are customizable. So now it's sitting up there. Again, it says Apple CarPlay because I'm on an Apple phone. It takes me straight back into Apple CarPlay, where I can go and play an Apple CarPlay. Customise home screen. I want my eco there, and at the bottom there I want my audio. That's how you customise the centre screen. Once you're in your customised screen, like you see here, I've got my nav, what's playing on my phone at the moment, which is an audio book, and I can get straight into the energy monitor. So I can put the energy monitor there, press home, and it gives you the energy monitor display. Go back to history, and it gives you your fuel consumption as you're driving now and your cruising range. That's the simple way, the easy way to have multiple displays on your center screen. That's how you customize that screen. If you've liked the video, please consider a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video.